when I came back with all these drawings, I started my own fishing. That means I put out the drawings on the floor and I start looking at them. And what I fished out of them is the idea of Rosa See. The idea of this Rosa lake. So it is, of course, just a lake, but it's also something else. I don't really know. I read the other day some writer who said, why are we so occupied with understanding everything? And I could come up with all kind of idea, what is a Rosa See? But why? And for who? Who benefits from my explanation? Rosa See, just jump in.